He didn't just buy a flood-damaged car, he brought it back to life. Watch how, step by step, this wrecked vehicle transforms into a brand new masterpiece. You won't believe the transformation. This scene shows the first stage of the video. The vehicle is completely covered in mud and moss. The windows are covered in a layer of dried grime, as if they had been submerged for a long time. The man begins cleaning the windshield and hood with a high-pressure water gun. The water blast instantly washes away years of accumulated dirt, mud, and leaves. With each squirt, the original paint, shining beneath, gradually emerges. At this stage, the car is now clean, but the damage and rust on its body are completely exposed. The mechanics are removing the doors one by one, as the electrical components and interior door panels have been completely affected by water and mud. The seats are worn from the humidity, and the floor coverings are caked in mud. This is the preparatory phase of rebirth. Each part is carefully disassembled, preparing the car for rebuilding. The rusted appearance of the body symbolizes the beginning of the miraculous transformation that is about to take place. In this scene, the vehicle is completely covered in foam. A layer of white foam covers everything from the hood to the roof. This step is performed to dissolve the residue on the body and the dirt beneath the rust. The technician carefully scrubs the glass and hood with a sponge. With each brush stroke, the original paint, hidden for years, begins to reappear. This moment symbolizes the vehicle erasing its past and preparing for a brand new beginning. In this scene, it is time to examine the vehicle's interior. The seats have been removed, and the floor is covered in mud and dirt. The technician begins to wash the seats with high-pressure water. As the water sprays, the years of accumulated dirt wash away, gradually revealing the true color of the gray upholstery. With each squirt, the seats are restored to their original state, shining as if reborn. This cleaning process heralds the vehicle's interior being as meticulously restored as its exterior. In this scene, the engine is being cleaned. The engine, considered the heart of the vehicle, is placed on a stand and prepared to be cleaned of years of dirt and oil. The technician meticulously treats every corner of the engine with high-pressure water. The dirt and oil layers are instantly dissolved and washed away, revealing the shiny lines of the metal surface. This moment is like a turning point, a moment when the vehicle breathes new life. The cleanliness of the engine is the strongest sign of the vehicle's imminent revival. In this scene, the heart of the transformation begins to beat. As the car sits elevated on a repair lift, mechanics carefully disassemble the engine. A red crane gently holds the engine, each bolt being unscrewed one by one. Minutes later, the heart of the vehicle, which has lain dormant for years, is separated from the body. Cleaned and placed on the table for repair, the engine awaits its moment of rebirth. This moment is a symbol of true rebirth, the first real step in the transformation from rusty wreckage to a powerful machine. In this scene, a technician carefully removes the headlight from the front of the vehicle. Gloved hands meticulously work through the metal, coated with years of rust and oxidation. As each screw is loosened, the vehicle's face is gradually unraveled. This is one of the most delicate parts of the restoration process, as every component will be repainted and reassembled. With the headlight's removal, the details hidden beneath the rusted bodywork are revealed. This scene feels like the beginning of leaving behind the weariness of a past era and preparing for a brand new look. In this scene, the car is literally being reshaped. The mechanic applies filler to the damaged areas of the body and carefully smooths the surface. With each sanding stroke, old scratches, dents, and traces of rust are erased. The metal no longer looks like cold scrap, but like a work of art ready for rebirth. As dust swirls in the air, every detail is meticulously refined. This moment is where patience and mastery meet. Every touch brings the car one step closer to its new life. In this scene, the final touches are being made. The once rusted car is now practically reborn in its bright yellow. The mechanics are preparing to mount the wheels, completing the final preparations. In the foreground, one carefully polishes the rim, while in the background, another tightens the screws. The silence of the workshop is broken only by the sounds of tools and the hum of the compressor. As the moment approaches for the car to hit the ground in its new state for the first time, everyone's eyes are filled with the same excitement. This image is the most vivid proof of how hard work, patience, and craftsmanship can transform into miracles.